When I walk into a home for the first time, I always think, would I like to live here? And in this case, it's a huge yes. It's a combination of the northern light, a stunning leafy aspect over to the park, and vast open plan living spaces that will get you. It's a contemporary home that has stood the test of time, and it's perfectly designed for a family. There's a downstairs bedroom option and a study, which is perfect if you work from home. And the backyard flows from entertaining to grass to pool. Your family will be sorted. Everyone loves this part of Swanbourne. I feel like it should actually be called the recreation zone. From here, you can walk around Lake Claremont, you can walk to the local schools, to the train and to Swanbourne Village. This is a wonderful place to raise your family.